Good afternoon, YouTube. I have a Sugar Rush peach that I grew from seeds that RevToast TV sent me. Raymond's here.
Hey guys.
So, take off the cap. Take out the seeds because we want to grow this again next year. Not the placenta because we want the full heat. This is not the first Sugar Rush peach I've had off of my plant this year. I have a video of making Sugar Rush peach salt from JT Bear's recipe for hot spicy salt. Too bad we aren't in a live stream because I'd be telling everybody to give us so many likes to get Raymond to try it too. But he's too busy belly dancing.
Come on! Do it! Come on! Do it!
I'll keep my shirt on. We'll see how you react. And then I'll jump in.
Okay. The smaller side here, I have removed placenta for Raymond.
Raymond's doing this.
Whoa!
It's a party! Woo! Your seed's exactly what my seed's. How's it going? How's it going? Alright.
Alright.
Is this gonna suck?
Not as badly as the Reaper gummies.
Thank God. Alright, here we go. Tastes just like a fresh bell pepper to start with. I find.
No, more like
Oh, now like a pea pod.
like banana pepper mixed with a pea pod. Yeah. Very sweet.
I like it so far.
Now, these plants have proved to be the most drought resistant of the 10 or 12 varieties of pepper I'm growing this year. But this is actually...
It's pretty good.
It's supposed to be in the cayenne hate range, and the last batch that I picked to make the fire salt were. This one is way sweeter.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I didn't find it hot at all.
It's like almost no burn.
Zero burn.
It's funny, the Ahi Sugar Rush peach is milder than the Serrano. And it's supposed to be 10 times stronger.
This was not even a tad of heat in that. But it was tasty.
Huh, surprising result.
Yeah, very. I was scared.
Anyway, that's it for now, and thanks for watching.
Don't do stupid stuff.